Today I'm going to teach you how to manage shift schedule in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful if you're coordinating team schedules, approving time off requests, or tracking when employees clock in and out, all within one central platform. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your work or team account, as the Shifts feature is typically available through organizational setups. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see three dots which represent the Apps menu. Click on those three dots, and in the search bar that appears, type Shifts and select it from the results. This will open the Shifts app, which is your hub for managing all scheduling activities. Now you'll notice an option labeled Day Notes. This feature allows you to add reminders or important messages that everyone on the schedule can see. Click on it and type in a note, for example, "Don't forget to clock in and clock out today." This helps ensure that your team stays on top of their responsibilities and doesn't miss critical tasks. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled View. Click on it to adjust how your schedule is displayed. From the options that appear, click Team Shifts and then select People. This view gives you a clearer breakdown of individual team members and their respective schedules, making it easier to manage everyone's availability and assignments. Now you'll see some requests listed on your screen. These could be requests for time off, shift swaps, or other schedule changes. To manage these, click the three dots beside any request. This will give you the option to either deny or approve the request. Reviewing and responding to these requests promptly keeps your team schedule running smoothly and ensures everyone is on the same page. On the top of the screen, click Settings. This is where you can configure various options to customize how Shifts works for your team. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Time Clock and click on Change Settings. Here, you'll see several options related to how time tracking functions within your team. In the time clock settings, check the box next to Include Location Detection for the mobile app. This feature is particularly helpful if your team members clock in and out using their mobile devices, as it provides additional verification of where they are when they log their time. Once you've checked the box, click Save Changes to apply this setting. Now return to the top of the screen and click Schedule. This takes you back to the main scheduling interface where you can see all shifts and assignments. In the upper right corner, you'll find a button that says Share with Team. Click on it to distribute the schedule to all team members, ensuring everyone has visibility into their upcoming shifts and responsibilities. And that's it. You've successfully set up and managed your shift schedule in Microsoft Teams, complete with day notes, request management, time clock settings, and team sharing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.